How do you move a colony ship off Earth? Not a capsule, not like a crew of like 5 people. A full-scale city in orbit with like people, supplies, ecosystems. You can't do it with fuel. Not that much mass. Just no. Definitely not gonna do it with chemical rockets. You see, Earth's gravity well is deep, and the energy that it takes to escape gets bigger the more you're carrying. You see, fuel also has weight. So you need fuel to lift the fuel that lifts the fuel. To lift the fuel that lifts the... It just keeps going, keeps going. So in Interstellar, Plan A isn't about building bigger rockets, it's about solving gravity, which is kind of a weird way to put it.
Now you need to tell me what your plan is to save the world.
We're not meant to save the world. We're meant to leave it.
So Professor Brand is working on a theory of quantum gravity. Now, this is something that could reconcile Einstein's general relativity, which explains how gravity warps space-time, with quantum mechanics, which explains how everything behaves at the teeniest, tiniest, smallest scales. Now, right now, those two frameworks do not agree. But that doesn't mean that either is wrong. It just means that we have no way to describe how gravity works at the quantum level. Now, in the movie, Professor Brand, he believes that if he can solve this problem, he can figure out how to manipulate gravity and then lift humanity to the stars. Now, one possible approach would be to observe nature in extreme conditions, say, the singularity of a black hole, a point of infinite density where quantum effects and gravity both dominate, which is why Cooper just, drops on into Gargantua to gather up that missing information, the data that then lets Murph solve Brand's equation and gives humanity a way off the planet with, a new law of physics in their hand. Now, in reality, physicists are working on theories of quantum gravity. The most famous is, of course, string theory, which is a lot of what the movie deals with. And this also, I think, Kip Thorne, who wrote the science for the film, I think he supports string theory, not 100% on that. Another is loop quantum gravity. I like that one. But there are many others as well. These aren't just the only possible solutions out there. But what do you think about the use of gravity in the movie? Do you think that manipulating gravity is even possible? Do you like your gravity loopy or stringy? There is a full explainer about this out now, should you